EaseUS is one of the most well-known names in data recovery, backup, and partition management. But before you decide whether it's right for you, there are a few important things you need to know. In this video, I'll take you through 7 things you should consider before buying EaseUS, especially if you're comparing it to some of its top competitors. Stick around till the end because I've got some exclusive information that will help you make a more informed decision. First, let's talk about EaseUS ease of use. This is one of the major selling points. Unlike some data recovery tools that require technical know-how, EaseUS is designed with a user-friendly interface. You don't need to be a tech expert to navigate its features, making it a great choice for beginners. Whether you're recovering files or managing partitions, it's all intuitive. If you've tried competitors like Recuva or Acronis, you'll notice EaseUS has a more polished user experience and is less cluttered, which adds to its appeal. Next thing, the data recovery capabilities. EaseUS is highly effective at recovering lost files, whether from accidental deletion, formatting, or system crashes. It supports a wide range of storage devices, including hard drives, SSDs, and even USB flash drives. Competitors like Stellar Data Recovery are known for their performance, but EaseUS has consistently proven to be on par, if not better, with faster scan times and more robust recovery features. I've personally tested it, and what really impressed me was how easily it retrieved files that other tools couldn't recover. The third thing to consider is EaseUS's pricing structure. Many users get turned off by the pricing of premium software, but EaseUS offers a good balance between affordability and features. It's more cost-effective than some competitors like Acronis, especially if you're only looking for a one-time solution or a basic recovery plan. The subscription models are flexible, allowing you to choose the version that best suits your needs without paying for unnecessary extras. And if you're still not sure, EaseUS offers a free trial, which brings me to the next point. The free trial. Unlike some software that locks you out of essential features behind a paywall, EaseUS gives you full access to their data recovery tools for a limited time. This gives you the chance to try it out before you commit. That's not something you'll find with every competitor. So if you're still on the fence, make sure to check out the first link below for the best offer and an exclusive free trial. Now, let's talk about the customer support. EaseUS is known for its responsive support team with 24/7 customer service available. Whether you're having trouble with installation or need assistance with recovery, you can reach out to their team via live chat or email. Compare this to competitors like Paragon Software, where users often report slower response times or difficulty finding solutions in their knowledge base. EaseUS's quick support is a major selling point for those who value peace of mind. The fifth thing to note is EaseUS's compatibility. While it works perfectly on Windows, many competitors fail to deliver as seamlessly on Mac or Linux systems. EaseUS offers support for multiple platforms, including macOS, which is a major bonus if you're a multi-device user. Whether you're using it for personal or business purposes, EaseUS offers a broader range of compatibility than most of its competitors in this price range. Sixth, the advanced features. If you're looking for more than just basic recovery, EaseUS offers partition management, backup and restore options, and even a disk clone tool. These are areas where competitors like Minitool often fall short. While it's great for data recovery, EaseUS is much more comprehensive when you start needing those additional functionalities, which sets it apart from simpler tools. Finally, the reliability. Over the years, EaseUS has built a reputation for being a trusted solution in the data recovery space. Whether you're working with a personal laptop or a business server, you can rely on EaseUS to safely recover your files. I've used it for several critical recovery tasks, and unlike some other tools I've tried, EaseUS has consistently delivered results without causing data corruption. So, if you're thinking about getting EaseUS, remember the ease of use, reliable data recovery, flexible pricing, and excellent customer support. If you want to try out EaseUS for yourself and get the best free trial, make sure to click the first link in the description below. By using that link, you'll get exclusive benefits and access to the best offer available. Don't miss out on the chance to see why EaseUS is one of the top choices in the industry.